simple trick, women. You can wear high heels without feeling pain in the feet. This trick will surely please the female community, especially those who do not want to wear high heels because it causes them pain in the feet. With the same, you can reduce pain and numbness in the fingers and avoid painful walking with a simple trick. High heels will definitely become your best friend after knowing this. High heels are one of the most elegant details that make every woman sit and look sexy, but unfortunately many women avoid high heels just because of the discomfort and pain in the feet. If you want to walk in your favorite high-heeled shoes without having to deal with pain and cramps in your feet, you should try this simple yet very effective and medically confirmed trick. All you need is a transparent tape or similar color of the skin. Tape around the third and fourth toes, beginning to count from the thumb. The tape will do is fix the fingers and prevent their separation. This simple but effective trick is used to relieve the pain that occurs in the metatarsal. There is a biological principle that explains that. There is a nerve that divides into two just between those toes, which causes pain when there is pressure from the high heels. With the action of joining the fingers, you remove pressure on the nerve, avoiding the pain that this produces. Fixation of the toes will also prevent numbness and cramps caused by increased pressure in the feet. As you see, what you have to do, simply go through fixing your fingers, and thus you will get a good support when walking. Try it and tell us.